Good morning, everybody. My name is Prathamesh Prakash Patil. I am from second standard. Today is birth anniversary of Kranti Jyoti Savitri Bai Phule. It is celebrated as a Balika Din. She was born on 3rd January 1813 at Naigaon, district Satara. Her father name was Khandoji Patil and her mother name was Lakshmi. At the age of 10, she married with Jyotiba Phule. They started first girls' school in Pune. She became a first teacher in India. She faced many problems and she was a great social worker.